So now I'm going to teach you how to do twists. With twists, we always start with our feet turned out and finish with our feet turned out. It's just in the middle of the move, we are going to turn our feet in for a split second, but it's got to be really, really fast. So it's going to go out, in, out, out, in, out. We really don't want to try and move forward. We want to pull our body back, and that way we get the most twist and motion out of our feet. We really want to think that we're trying to stay in one place. You're not going to stay in one place, but you want to feel like you are. That way you can really get the twists on those feet. So we're going to go twist, twist, twist. And then fast, you're going to go twist, twist, twist. And again, a twist, 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 a twist, twist, twist. And I'll do it to the side. Twist, twist, twist. And then fast, it's going to be twist, 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 twist. And that is how you do some twists in Irish dance.